So we had put it in. We were experiencing some sticky ice. Um, so we were playing with the brine settings, and I suppose we got too warm because it was getting to the point where the pucks were starting to melt into the ice. Since then, we've bumped back down, but as the temperatures are getting cooler outside, we've been able to warm the ice temperatures back up. So we're running 4.5 degrees warmer than we ever have. So huge energy saving costs. Our machines aren't running nearly as often, so you're getting a lot of lifetime out of your compressors and everything. And there's a lot less rutting in the ice, so you don't have to cut as much to get a good flood. Really like the results we're getting. Like I said, the even just the ruts itself is huge because we do have operators that are new. So if they're not as comfortable cutting a full bucket, it almost is not as necessary as it used to be because the ruts aren't as big as they used to be. So we were on an RO system, so we were running through salt, a skid of salt almost every 3 weeks, and now it just runs to our condensers and our boilers, and we run through a skid of salt every 2 months now. So there's a lot of benefits to energy saving. The floods, like the ice is now slippery. Like it's been all good news in the last 2 months for us.